Hey bro, I'm just trying to see what all things that people can do. Wait, why are you even sending that is someone from
Hello,
our team?
Pravin.
Is this Rajan from our team?
Yes, Rajan from our team.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
super, super,
I'm
super.
your team.
Awesome, awesome. I'm just trying to set few things out and just getting rid of the permissions and stuff like that. Um, no request, no collaboration. All right, cool. Seems okay to me. Chat is enabled. Um, right. So in a few seconds, we will let everyone in. Ayush, you want to switch on your camera? I'm just asking you. Is my voice and video clear?
Yes.
Super awesome. Okay, that should be better. Okay, then let's let everyone in. Admit all. Ayush, I'm just sharing my screen. Just make sure we are able to see the screen and all. Right? All good, right?
All good.
Okay, super. There should be an annotate thing. Yeah, I have removed that. Okay, stop screen sharing. Hey everyone. Hey Bold. Nice to meet you. We have a bold bug in that. All right, cool. Okay, let me know when we can start and then we can start. For everyone others, we are looking at, we'll be looking at, hey Banu, please don't call me sir. All right. Sure, Garvit. Absolutely. Spammers are here. And okay, try to maintain something good. You're all professionals, so I'm not gonna. Okay, shall we start? So the chat is open, and in case of any questions or something like that, feel free to ask and stop me anytime. So this is gonna run for like an hour mostly, and I think Ayush said 2 hours, but we will see how long we are gonna take. Okay, cool. So Ayush, go for it if you wanna start with something.
Yes.
Oh,
Uh,
and I'll also say for those people who are really active during the session, you have some gift cards and special prizes. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'll be definitely looking at the chat then and there. So whoever answers first, you would be getting something really nice. Hey Rekha, nice to meet you here. She's one big person. Hi Vansh. Hi Vinod. We are still getting more people to join. So I think we will be taking a few minutes and then we will start. In the meantime, whoever is here, Can you tell one single line about yourself? Like, for example, I would say this way. Hey everyone, my name is Pravin. I'm originally from Chennai, India, currently living and working in London. Well, not working right now, but I'm a director of engineering at this point. So I would say my wife is JavaScript, my girlfriend is React.js. I'm a full stack developer. That's me in one single line. So how would you introduce yourself, everyone? One single line about your introduction right now. Go on. The first person will win something nice. Let's see who is the first person to introduce in the best way. I'm looking at the comments. Rajan, that's nice. But that doesn't make any sense, man. Awesome. That's a cool introduction, bold bug. I would say I'll start with a name. Amazing. So I think we should fairly give the prize for first prize to Mana Hill. It's complete. What if you don't have a name? Every living being or every entity in this world will have a name. Cool, nice. So we are just 23 right now at this point. We'll wait for like what, Ayush? You tell me, you are the one who is the co host.
Just wait for 5 minutes, then we start the meeting.
Awesome, cool. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Until then, please, everyone, I think I should start giving prizes for those creative introductions. Okay, for being creative, I would definitely give prizes to Pratmesh, Moldbug. How would I find you in LinkedIn, man? That is the first question I would say. So the proper intros, Manahil and Sakita, if I'm right. Working on AI. It could be a bit longer, Sakita, if you could. And Rajan too. Yes. Hi Vansh. College second year and still looking for what interests me the most. Actually, that's a great thing. Yeah, you have to start looking at which works for you and stuff like that. So today's workshop will be completely practical and there will be a lot of questions I would be asking too. So I want every one of you to be involved. That is something that I would expect. And in the meantime, we'll exactly start in 1 minute. I'll just go get some water. Thanks for the nice alarm. Who was that? For loop completed. Nice. Okay, we will start in a few seconds then. Waiting for a sign off from this person, Ayush from DNA. Okay, so, well, shall we start or like what's the plan?
Start. So.
Go on. Start with yourself. You give.
Okay. Hello, Takis. This is Ayush, co-founder DNA Coders. Welcome to Ascension Force, where ideas ignite and innovation takes flight. Let's dive deep into the world of Git and GitHub and open source and build something extraordinary together. So, Pravin, you can start.
So, hey everyone, thanks Ayush for coming, giving me this amazing opportunity to meet all these people. So, today we will be talking mostly about Git, GitHub, and open source. Before that, let me give a quick intro and let me know who you all are. So, we did have a quick round of asking who is doing what, etc. So that way, it was also helpful for people to understand who is here, what people are doing, and let's see this. I have a couple of questions as well, so we'll go through those questions and I'll give you a quick intro about me too. So, without further delay, I am gonna quickly share my screen and hopefully it is visible for everyone. I'm looking at the chat messages. Is it visible? Am I typing too fast? To an extent, yes, but we'll see. Okay, cool. So, this is my website, and I hope everyone here will be excited to create something like this. And I'm a full stack developer, so I'm originally from Chennai, India, currently living and working in London as a director of engineering. And my wife is JavaScript, my girlfriend is React JS, and that's how I'm passionate about coding and technology and everything. So that's a quick intro about me. How do I type so fast? I type so fast because I have been practicing for almost like what 20 years now. I'm just young. I'm in my late 20s. That's it. So I'm not that old and all. Okay, cool. So this is my website. It looks like this. So it has got a nice introduction about myself, and then there are like a couple of things. My view profile goes to my LinkedIn profile, and then my experience, what all things that I have been done, and everything is like after 2020 I have stopped updating. So a lot of things are old. Typical lazy developer here. And education, I did my master's in cloud computing here in the UK. And also, the one thing that I would say everyone is put your portfolio up online so that people know who you are, what you do, etc. Okay. And with respect to those things, there are like a couple of things that I have been doing here as a blogger and other things. So this is what people talk behind my back, and this is how you can talk behind my back as well. So apart from these things, I also have my own YouTube channel. I teach people a lot of stuff, new stuff, and this is how it looks like. There will be a lot of shorts, videos, podcasts, etc., etc. So that's all for this. Without further delay, let's go to my GitHub profile. So this is what is the main stuff. We will be talking about Git and GitHub. So here's my GitHub README and other stuff. Okay, so coming to the questions to you all, enough about me. Let's start talking something about you all. How many of you here know? Okay, let me ask the questions in such a way that um, let's get these things up and running for you all. My cockpit link is this one. Okay. This is interesting. Give me a second. All right. Okay, so I'm just gonna give the link for you. So please everyone open this link in your screen. So based on this, I have a couple of questions and we will just go with the questions first. Okay. So the first question is gonna be, how many of you have idea about Git, GitHub and open source? Go on, answer this. So the questions are here. This is like a Kahoot style quiz to understand you all better so that I could understand like who I am talking to. Go on. We've got around like 16 answers so far. Interesting, nice. A good mix of people basically. 17. So I could see that there are like so many people who have got no idea about Git, GitHub and open source. Great. Okay. Then, sorry. Everyone answered? Yeah, a lot of people are beginner here. There's one person who is expert. Nice to know. Awesome. I just created something simply. It's a direct poll. Okay, super. So I could see that only 4 people here are okay. Let's try asking it again because there are some more people who just joined it. So those people who have just joined it, we are just running a small quiz or question just to know about you all. So can you tell me how good are you with Git, GitHub and open source? So the link is there on the chat. Just open it up. You will get 4 options. Please select one in it. Banu Teja, use the poll, Banu. But thanks for telling that you are an intermediate. Who is the expert here by any chance? Awesome, Boldbug. Nice to know. We should definitely get connected soon. Okay, super. Now that we have got at least 20 people answering this, let's go to the next question. How many of you here have a GitHub account? Do you have or do you not? And you have, but you have not used it. But you have, and you have also been using it. How many of you? Please use the poll so that I will also look at, I mean, if there is any questions, then definitely I'm going to answer it there in your, in the chat. We will use the chat only for questions and discussions. For this one, please go ahead and choose the poll. I want at least 21 right now. 21 people to answer this one. Go, 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 go. Okay, so we have got so many people. So I think everyone has got a GitHub account. Great. That's nice. But the only problem is, out of which more than half people are not using it. Why? What is the problem? Go on, folks. Tell me what is the problem. Why you are not using it? What is the reason you are not using it? Any reasons, or like is it just that I'm not sure how to use it? It's just there for my namesake or something like that. No idea how to use it. Today you will get all the ideas. Okay, cool. That's understandable. Okay, how many of you here are okay? This is a question that I should have added this question before. Okay. Let me add it right now. How many of you are web developers here? Me and not me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put this question here. Okay, so we have got this 21 things, and I could see one person who don't have a GitHub account. Don't worry, you can easily create one. So let's go for this question. Oh, wait. This is not the question that I was looking for. Sorry. Wait. Wrong question. Why is this question not getting displayed? Nope. Stop. Let's try this again. So we already got this, we did this, we are not getting to this one. Okay, interesting. Should I save the poll? Oh my god, I should save the poll. This is crazy. Let's go to the third one. Okay, so go for it. Please hit the numbers, hit your things. Okay, a few people say I'm not sure how to use it. It doesn't have shorts where I can scroll. That's interesting. And intimidating. I can understand, yes, it could be intimidating. It is just not my thing. Okay, got it, got it, got it. Valid points. So let me show you how basic it is. So now, how many of you here are a web developer? Okay, I could see that a lot of people who are more than 50% of the audience are web developers here. Okay, go ahead, go ahead. Any more people to finish the poll? Nope. Okay, now the question is, this is something relevant to our session. Do you have a website with you? If you don't, okay. Do you want one? If you already have a website, that's great. So go on, hit it. Okay, we could see a lot of people who are in the no but want one. Let's do something amazing. Who are those 3 people? Why do you not want a website? So one takeaway from this today's session will be, we will be creating a small website and we will also be publishing it as well. How cool is that? What say, folks? It's okay. That's fine. I mean, everyone has got their own starting points, right? So the question is, let's wait for anywhere. It would be using GitHub pages, yes, but also we will be using custom domains too. How many of you have been working with custom domains by any chance? Day, you are literally Akshit. Okay, on the group. Nice. I'll let you know. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So I could see like 12 people who doesn't have a website but they want one. This is amazing. Okay, shall we go for our next main thing about Hacktoberfest? This is a bit longer. Okay, so do you know what Hacktoberfest is? If you don't have any idea, choose the first option. You know what it is, but or you have heard of it, but you have not tried anything on it. Second option, you know what it is, but you have not participated at all. You have participated in the previous years, but not this year. You have participated this year, but have not completed the PRs. You have participated it. You have completed it. Last option. I'm really looking forward. How many people are? Oh wow, so many people who don't know what it is. Okay. You all will be getting to know what it is. Okay, so now that I understand exactly how my audience is right now, I think it is safe for me to start with something. Okay, so we will be going through what Git and GitHub is and how we are going to work with those things in a practical way. And at the end, we are also going to create a small website that can be published and that will be available for everyone to take it. How's that sound? Okay, cool. I'm just gonna quickly take a screenshot of this. All right, cool. Awesome. Right, so let's start with this one. I think I know who this one is. Okay, before that, let me quickly do something quick. So this Anne Marquez, I think you are that person who records the webinar, right? I found you. I found you. Okay, anyway, that's fine to be available for public. So let's start with this one. So the first thing that we are going to go is, let's quickly look into what Git and GitHub is and how to use something on that as well. Okay, so this is the first thing that we are going to do. So let me open this up here. Okay, and we have a social media challenge too. So I'll tell you about that in a future moment. So here we go. So this is a GitHub screen. So if you go to github.com, this is the site where you would be using GitHub. So what exactly is GitHub? Before that, what is Git? So what is Git? You have Google Docs or something like Google Drive, right? So Google Drive, what it is basically, it looks like okay, folders. So Google Drive has got something like folders like this, but not everyone could access it, right? And you also have something like your own folders as well. So this looks like a lot of different folders. Inside the folder there are like a couple of items, something like that. But what if this is available online? So first thing. Second thing, if it is available online, a lot of people will be able to look into it. They can make changes and do crazy things, but you don't want all the bad things to happen as well. In that case, every single change is considered, its change is notified, etc., etc., and then with your own acceptance the changes are happening. That is something what is kind of like a repository. Okay, so it is a repository. But add one more thing. What if you add a time machine to the repository? For example, let's say you are working on a code, okay, and you start with a small VS Code interface or something like that. Okay, so we are working on some kind of a code like this. Also, I'm gonna take you through all my cool tools and things, but at this point of time, this is a new mission, so nothing is installed in this, which is crazy. But yeah, let's do something on that as well. This is my okay, I think I should have done something related to my setup, but let's have it in a simple way today, and we will go with something easy. Okay, so first thing that we will be doing is start with Git and GitHub. So if you go to GitHub, the easiest way to get an account is just click on sign up, and then either you can continue with Google or continue with Apple, whatever it is, or you can just go ahead and enter an email address. How many of you have heard of temporary email addresses? Anyone who has heard of temporary email addresses? Yeah, I could see people have said no, yes, no, yes. It's kind of like mixed. Okay, there is one thing called mailinator.com. So I'm gonna put DNA here, DNA at mailinator.com. So this is an empty email address at this point. So if I put DNA at mailinator.com, this email domain could not be verified. Okay, great, nice. So let's ask for another email. So temp email service. So we don't want to use anything, right? So let's see if this even works. So this is one of the emails. Oh wow, this is accepted. Nice. So we are going to give the same as password. The username is going to be this one. Your country or region. Okay, United Kingdom. That's great. Oh, that's 10 minutes mail too. Yeah, I have received understanding. Like, I am aware of that. So I'm just going to click on create an account. Now, what is the problem? Okay, it's going to verify the account, verifying the browser. Dude, I'm a real person, real human. But I'm not sure if this particular email address is kind of like the right one. So I can also look at everything. So you have access. Okay, there are like so many amazing accesses for these things as well. This is nice. So we'll solve this visual puzzle. Ooh, use the arrows to move the person to the indicated seat. Okay, we are in the indicated seat, 93. Yes. And then 37 now. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, now we are good. This is nice. Actually, we should do something like this. Oh, this is not right. This is right. Which is not right. Make sure that the person is sitting in the coordinates shown on the left. Match this. Oh, okay. 3. Okay, that seems to be tough. That's correct. So this is like this. Wait. There are like so many 62s. This is 162 on the left side. There's 162 on the left side again. There's a 62 here. Oh. This is a 62 on the right side. I think this is the right side thing. Let's see if this works. 61. Okay, not this. Okay, I think we should just random. I don't think this is right. Oh, okay. This is not right. This one is right. Oh, that's what I did. Does anyone have any idea? Look. Oh, look at the matching symbol as well. Okay, interesting. Okay. So there is a perfume bottle and 38. So that means this is the third one. Oh, we should actually create something like this. How many of you are ready to create something like a puzzle like this? Yeah, just the sign as well. Let's do a puzzle like this. Nice. 80 and there is like some 3 jetties. I don't know what it is. Okay, so 80 in the second thing. So 80. Oh, yeah. No, this is the one, right? Okay, cool. Now I have to apply 4 times. So 37 and ink bottle. That means it is the second one, I guess. Yep, 37 and ink bottle. Yep, this is the 91 and milk bottle. Okay, 91 means like last 4. Huh, this is the one. Oh wow, finally, you are verified. Right, this is really cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this whole thing, put it this way. This is nice, this is nice, this is good. Country or region. I can put either United Kingdom or India. So for now, I'll just put United Kingdom. I'll just go here. Verifying your account. The inbox is still empty. What if they can? They may. This is crazy. Okay, at least this time it is only 3. So 61 and percentage. I think this will literally make us go mad in this case. Okay, 61 and percentage. Yes, that's done, bros. Some tundu seat and 97. So which means I think it should be 97, third row, third column. This is the chair. Sorry for the time waste. This is the last time I'm gonna do 1 and popcorn bottle. I couldn't see that at all. Oh, is it the last one? Okay, one last. Yeah. Verification is. Oh, there was a content blocked. Okay. I think it's better we will stop it here. This one is not working out. So I will just go ahead with creating my own. Okay, so once you have created your GitHub account, you just need to sign in, and then what we will do is let's first sign in. This is definitely going to ask something. Okay, cool. So we have got our account signed in here. So I'm going to create another account, or I will be showing my own account here. So this is my own account. So the first thing that we will be doing is about what is this GitHub interface and stuff like that. So there are new things that you can always start here. So the first thing that you can do is new issue. If you already have, I think this UI is not the right good thing. No, Simran, I think I know what is the problem here. How many of you have heard of ad blocks and cookies? Okay, so maybe because of that only the problem. Bold bug, the answer is in your name. It is a bug. That's it, simple. Bug is an issue. Okay, so the hierarchy is like this. So you have your account. Inside your account, you have a lot of repos. Inside your repos, you have a lot of two things. So one thing is files and folders. Another thing is you have issues, and the other thing is commits, and inside the commits you have different commit. Each commit will have one or two file changes. That's how it works. Brave browser, okay, I'm on a Mac, I can't use Brave browser here, or unfortunately I have not installed Brave browser in this. Okay, cool. So this is one of the things, and yeah, so we will start with hey Purvi. Actually, we had a amazing, interesting quiz and all. Okay, what is the meaning of cookies? Simple thing. So here is github.com, right? Here is also github.com, right? The only difference is I'm using two different browsers. But what is happening here? It says Setco website here. Here it says Pravin Kumar and Pravin Science. How does the same computer, same browser know that this is Pravin, this is Setco, right? So that information is stored in a simple text file that is shared among both the particular server and the client. Client is you and server is the other person or the website. That's how these two things are connected. So that's the connection is the cookies. Connection information will be stored in cookies. It will be identified in the cookies. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. Purvi, you missed all the fun we had with respect to the CAPTCHA solving, and then we also got this idea of like, why don't we create a CAPTCHA thing as well? But we will do it later. If we can, we will do it later. So today we will just see what issues are how to do a basic open source contribution, and then we will go ahead with. So far is it good, interesting, boring? Tell me, what do you think so far? I could see a lot of people leaving and joining, so I just wanted to make sure if it is really interesting or if it is boring. Should I change it in a different tone? Am I going too fast or something like that? Is my English okay? Or யாருக்காவது தமிழ் தெரியும்னா I can also talk in Tamil, but unfortunately no. Very interesting. Yay, nice. Okay, I'll tell you one more interesting thing. For example, if you go for any of these repositories, for example, why am I saying so many for examples? Why can't I see all the public repositories? Seriously. I have been working only on the private repositories so far. So if I do type public, so that you can also see this, right? Boldbug is more active, and we will definitely give him some nice goodie bag or a fun cut playing thing. So this is worth $100. So if we take a random website here, random repository, let's say I have a lot of files here, and all I'm doing is pressing the dot button here. The moment I press the dot button, oh, this is something like new. Okay, this is like a new feature. Okay, I was thinking it goes to github.dev, but here you go. Ta-da! This is an amazing platform. It shows your VS Code on the web. Because I'm using a light theme, it shows the light thing. Now you can easily just go ahead and edit things. See, cool, right? So we have something like, let's say, what is this? Okay, so let's say we have readme.md and stuff like that. I'm going to create a new file. It's called, no, I'm not using GitHub code spaces. That is a costly stuff, right? Ankshit, we'll say like bold.bug. This guy is super active. Okay, if I do this, I can go ahead and create a commit here. Purvi, I just pressed dot button. The dot button in the keyboard. Am I going too fast so soon? Purvi, Rushda, both of you are saying the same thing. Okay. I'll do it slowly. So this is a website. This is a repository, right? This repository, github.com/Pravin, whatever it is, github.com is there, no? Change the .com to .dev. That's it. It becomes VS Code. Cool? Good? Interesting? Okay, so both Purvi and Rushda, magic, worked? Happy? Okay, and also we can put thanks Purvi and Rushda and all the other people as well. So we can say Sanskar, Pratmesh. I'm just gonna add these names. That's it. Aman. Okay, please don't call me sir. Just call me Praveen. Hey Aman, I had no idea about Git and GitHub, but I want to learn these things. Please guide me. How can we start? That is what we are doing right now. So we started with Git and GitHub. So Git is a time machine. That's what I said. So you can go back in time to change things, and then you can leave from one place to another. Blah blah blah. So many things are there. Okay, now we did all these things, right? So bold bug is getting a goodies bag from me. Okay, so that's what I did. Now what I'm going to do here is, Boldbug mentioned. Hey Boldbug, are you still here? Hey, tell me your name, da. Added Boldbug. And then I'm just pressing the tick button. Now if I go here and refresh, boom, we have Boldbug. And it is all good. Nice? Cool. So this is one cool hack. And when it comes to open source and other things, make sure you know what you're doing. So there is this global search in GitHub. So GitHub has got this global search where we can search for, let's say, puzzle, but I would be getting 143,000 puzzles, right? I don't want to do a lot of things, but who am I? I'm a JavaScript guy, right? Thank you, Soundarya. Amazing. Thanks for joining us. Okay, now in this list, I know only JavaScript. So I'm going to go hit the JavaScript. Okay, 21,000 puzzles. Great. Now I want to see the most active puzzle. Okay, so what we can do is by activity, there should be sort by recently updated things. So look at this. Someone has just updated it. Okay, microbiology puzzle game. Oh, wow. Emergency analysis. I hope this is definitely just a puzzle game, right? It looks so nice, right? Okay, is it zoom? Is the zoom nice? Okay, cool. This literally looks nice. So if I click on this, this doesn't look puzzle friendly. Not puzzle friendly. Which semester are we? Spring. I don't know what if it is spring or like it's a spanner. I'm not sure. Group number. We'll just put some number here and then let's enter the. Oh, okay. 27. Any other number you want to say, people? Less than 50. The first number will go into this. 3. Harleen, thank you. Okay. So let's enter the laboratory. Who Oh, do you even think like this is an escape room? Oh my God. Okay, people are here to learn Git and GitHub, but we are hooked into an escape room game. I don't know what to say. Okay, let's quickly try what we can do. Okay, before entering the microbiology laboratory to analyze the patient sample, you must answer the safety question to answer this. Select appropriate PPE from the available options. Ensure all the PPE section meet laboratory safe standards. Proceed to the laboratory for urgent sample analysis. Okay, let's click on the log. Which of the following is most important reasons for wearing gloves while handling patient samples? Keep your hands warm? No, definitely not. Contamination. To look professional, it seems. To avoid getting hands dirty. Okay, that's right, I guess. Okay, so here we have access granted. Amazing. So, foot protection. Do we need high heels? Flip flops? I think it's supposed to be either the first one, closed toe, or the lab boots. Flip flops all the way. They are Rani. Okay, let's start with the foot protection. I think it should be either closed toe shoes or lab boots. I'm really confused between these two things. Lab boots it is. Okay, appropriate. Thank you. Let's go for the body protection. Winter park, safety vest, lab coat, shawl, just regular t-shirt. Just regular t-shirt. Lab coat is appropriate. Let's use sunglasses or no eyewear. We'll use safety goggles here. Hand protection. What is nitrile or latex gloves? Any idea? Damn. What is nitrile? Oh wow. Oh wow. Awesome. Wait, I don't think it is latex. I think it is nitrile then. Appropriate. See? Wow. Then in that case, it's not the latex gloves. Why is even latex gloves are appropriate? It seems. I don't understand this. Winter gloves is definitely inappropriate. No gloves is appropriate. Okay, so these two things are really appropriate. Okay, let's enter the laboratory. Ooh. Okay, so this is basically this is definitely the thing. Explore the room to find the interactive equipment. Definitely not. Nothing is there. That looks interactive. Excuse me. Literally, there is no change in what is it. Anyway, should we stop here? This is going crazy. Yeah, we'll stop it here. This is actually really nice. Microbiology lab. Yeah. So they have used something like a wheat config. So what I was trying to say is try to sort things in the right way. I'm just going to quickly put a small message for this person saying like, yeah, thanks man for this project. I'm Pravin and oh wait, actually let me do it from my own application. We just wanted to thank this guy because this is really nice. And doing an open source workshop on finding the right, what should I say here? Finding the right project to start with. I found yours in the filter and it was super interesting. Students, yes, please don't spam this one. This looks really interesting, really genuine as well. I just wanted to say thanks for taking up half an hour playing this escape room, and it was fun on the live stream. Cheers, bro. Yeah, so we just told him thanks, but it is fine. I hope no one has created any mess in this one. So But literally this person actually did something new here. They just added a space and the close button. Weird stuff. Anyway, so yeah, this was nice. I'm gonna fork it anyway because it looks really interesting, and we can put escape room. Nice escape room I found when I was live. I'm gonna copy the whole thing. Okay, so this is one way of doing things in your GitHub. It is called as forking. Forking means you are um, taking the same code and putting it in another your own repository or something like that. That's how this works. So we just forked this person's repository and gave a small information as well. So that person should be happy now. So this way we will be searching for different repositories, and we found that these repositories might be really helpful for us. There is also mini FTC console game and updated 3 minutes ago, but we should also look at the most forks as well. So for example, if you take this one, this was updated on 21st April, so don't do this. Then there is Hacks Club or slash Sprig. I think this is something to do with the Hack Club. It's a big company or something like that. Oh wow, this is interesting too. Okay, there are like so many interesting things that are happening here. I think this one is related to IoT devices. It looks like a Raspberry Pi or something like that, but it looks really nice. Anyway, so make a game, play a game, nice. So there are like a couple of things that are happening here. So have a look at those things, and we will be using some of them. And how do you do the first change or something like that? Let's say we are taking this particular thing, or we will create a new repository, and this is mainly for not a new issue. Let's go to the main screen. If I go to the main screen, the github.com, and then create a new issue, what will happen? It is asking for which particular repository. This is great. But this is the worst user experience I have ever gotten. So I usually expect there should be new repository here. Yeah, my muscle memory, but unfortunately that's not the case. Let's do a new repository here. I'm just gonna do DNA web dev open source. How many of you here know what vibe coding is? Everyone knows what vibe coding, right? Who doesn't know what vibe coding is? Purvi. Okay, you don't know what vibe coding is. Vibe coded website. Okay, so we are going to keep it public here. Start with the template, etc. All these things are great. Now what we will do is we'll create a new file called index.html. So vibe coding means we are going to use any AI tool, for example Brave, and can you help me with vibe coding today as a part of DNA Club and Pravin. Start by asking me what to start with. Oh my God, look at this. It is asking whether we should do a sleek personal portfolio site, a mood tracking app, a mini game, or maybe something wild like an AI powered meme generator. There's no vibe in vibe coding. That's true. But this is nice. A sleek personal portfolio site. How many of you here wants a free website, a domain name as well? I'm going to give you one here. The first person here. Okay. So Simran is the first person who answered other than bold bug, but she asked something else. Anshika wants AI powered meme generator, which is nice. Okay, let's go with bold bug. Okay, so here's how we start. We will focus on minimalism, fast performance, and strong visual hierarchy, etc. All these things are good. Okay, can you do a templated one, like a HBS based JSON plus, is it JSON? Yeah, handlebars. JSON plus HBS giving out the HTML for this portfolio. Start with JSON first. Let it think. Templated portfolio using JSON plus handlebars. Perfect for static, sleek, maintainable thing. Okay, so basically what we are going to do now is, how many of you expected this one, it could go this way? So we have got something like this. Okay, wow. Now this is the template.hbs. All right, super. Can you create a form that takes in a HBS, a JSON, and shows output of HTML live inside an iframe? Let's see if it is able to do this one. Dude, how is it going? How did we start and now what we are doing right now? Oh my god, this is crazy. Now we are going to deploy this as well. So this is going to be a handlebars thing. I think everyone wants to learn something related to open source, but we are now learning a load of things. Okay, so we have got a live preview tool with all these JSON input and stuff like that. I think it is simple. Oh my god, let's do it. Let's try this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go to jsbin.com. How many of you know what jsbin is? Oh wow, dude, it is done. Look. Okay, now if I try to change this to bold bug, developer DNA club, theme dark, projects, blah blah blah, render. Look, this is basically a complete website. Okay, now what we are gonna do is, we are gonna do something fun as well. So we got these two things, right? We got this JSON. We're just gonna put this JSON data here. And then we got this HTML or HBS. Let's put this here. Let's see what this shows. Oh wow, cool. Look, awesome. But why is this not working? We need a bootstrap based. What kind of a theme is this using really? Class dark, which is okay. Where is the CSS, dude? Okay. Where's the CSS for the first website? First thing, don't call me sir. And secondly, everyone who is completely beginners. Like I asked a lot of questions, understanding who my audience is. Based on them, I'm trying to do this one. Oh my god, here we go. Let's copy this one. And what we are going to do is, here, instead of link rel style sheet, I'm going to do a style and slash style. Okay, wow. And then let me add this thing here. Let's try running the render. Oh, this is amazing, right? Bold bug. We just created this tool. Hey, just don't call me sir. If someone calls me sir again, I'm gonna quit. This is so nice. Okay, we just need to do some fixes. But this is so nice. So we just need to update the pictures. Did we add any pictures here? Yeah, images. Vibe engine. Okay, so this means vibe engine. This is not definitely a vibe engine. Code engine. Not the engine, dude. I want like, okay, we'll use this one. I think this is something like a Code Engine Studios. Cherry, okay, we'll use this logo. What is this actually? Facebook, see profile picture, copy image address. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this image address here. And for the URL also, I'm gonna add this here. Let's start rendering it. Wow, there you see. Okay, now what we will do is we'll try to view frame source, and then it's about blank. In the vibe, see what is that? Template viewer. Can you also add a link to preview the template using data URI? Replace your render function this way. Awesome. Let's copy this one. See, this is how vibe coding works. But before that, we need to take care of this content. Okay, so what we need to do is let's go to another jsbin.com. Okay, and then I'm just gonna copy this whole thing from here to here. Actually, we don't want this one. Let's do this way. I'm gonna open Typora, and on Typora, so first thing is the HBS handlebars. Great. And then this is JSON data. So let's add JSON paste. I think I just need to get rid of these spaces. Okay, cool. That is great. Now, if I go back to the HTML page, and if I go to this one, update this thing, then this is the function render. And okay, so I should make sure I just connect only these things. Okay, super. Text area, we are not touching this. Any text area we are not touching because it will screw up things. So body text area, until this text area, will just do this way. Okay, super. Everything seems to work. Purvi, let's get connected definitely, and I really want all your feedback as well. And remember, we all are gonna get certificates too. That would be nice. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Let's add this preview link button as well. Where should be the preview button? So we have this output, render HTML is there. No, I think we will do it next to the render HTML. Why? Oh, it should be like this. Iframe is okay. Did I mess up something? This looks good to me. Oh, I know what is happening. Text area is here. This is correct. Okay. I think we added something. Super. Now, if we click on open preview in a new tab, nothing happened. Oh, I should click on render HTML. No? This should definitely work. Interesting. So what we are gonna do now is we are gonna go for this one. Copy this HBS, paste it here. Go down, copy this JSON, paste it here. Render HTML, click this preview. Nothing happens. I think something is wrong with this preview link. Console. Let's click. Let's do everything again. Oh, so many violations. Violations are fine. Absolutely, Purvi. So I'll do something for that. But wait, let's figure out what is wrong here. Basically, all these things are already given thing only, I guess. Okay, we have got this one. This is all good. So if I click on render HTML, everything is good. If I inspect this link, I get this data HTML thing. If I open that, but nothing is coming out. I don't understand why. Let's see the console. Okay, this is how we debug things as well. Okay, separate link is not possible, boss. That is what I was thinking of, like what is the best thing we can do. But why is this thing not coming? I don't understand. Okay, URI data encode URI component is also there. Data, then preview links href is also here. I don't know why, because there is also this 128 byte thing. Okay, let's do this way. Okay, we have handlebars here, right? We have title tag, right? What we will do is we'll delete all these things. Title, name, title we'll give. The same way we'll give a h1 name title as h1. Okay, wow. And render HTML, your name front-end developer. Who is that person saying like so many nice things? Let's do Purvi. Purvi Malviya. Okay, Purvi Malviya, front-end developer and creative coder is okay. Now open preview in a new tab. Even now it is not working. This is not my fault. Something is wrong with this. You have data, text bar, HTML, all these things are okay. Open in a new tab. Hey, that works, eh? Hey, என்னங்கடா இது? This works now. But this is not. Oh, okay. I know what to do. You open it, you refresh this page. Okay, so this is working really. So what we will do is we'll copy this whole thing, put it over here. Okay, this will die anyway. Now render HTML. It looks really nice. Open this, refresh this page. Boom, worked. Bug is found. Yeah. Whoa. This is so nice. Okay, looking at all these things, I did not see the time really. So I think we missed a lot of times. But this was nice, right? It's called vibe coding, and we did something new idea. And this idea we can like literally, hey, just look at this one. Let's do something proper at this point. Okay. So if I am going to do a JSON editing, I'll go with my text editor. This is my text editor, right? So I'm just gonna make sure it is gonna be JSON, and I'll go back to this one. I'm just gonna copy this, paste it here. So now again, the spaces are gonna be 2, and nice. So far we are good. So where is Purvi? Let's go with Purvi's one. Purvi, front-end developer and creative coder. Okay, for you. Bio is building sleek experiences with code and creativity. Member of DNA Club and proud to collaborate with Pravin on next-gen web projects. How does that look like? Nice. Okay, Purvi, what is your favorite company name? Okay, thanks, Boldbug. JP Morgan, Hey, I'm a VP of engineering at JP Morgan a couple of years ago. Anyway, congrats for getting in. If you need a referral or if you need any guidance on getting into JP Morgan, let me know. Okay, Purvi at jpmorganchase.com. Okay, and city and country. Pretty sure you're in India. What city? Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Super. GitHub. Do you have anything? LinkedIn, GitHub, and Twitter? You want to add these things? Hey, bro. I know a lot of people, including me, want a job, but yeah, I thought it's better like we are here. So, thanks, Purvi. I'll just copy the link and add it here. Okay, so Purvi. Okay, let's add this here. Okay, let's give a shout out for Purvi as well. I'll just open her profile and ta-da! So that's Purvi. So if someone wants to go and connect with her, please go and connect with her. And this is my profile. Anyone who wants to give a connection request, here is my connection request. And yes, thanks for telling this bold bug. Anyone who wants a referral in big companies that I worked for before, whether it is Fetch Group or JP Morgan Chase or Microsoft or GitLab or anything. Hey, bold bug, it's okay, da. Yeah, just send me a connection request. So connection request, please make sure you are giving me a connection request, not just a follow request. So go ahead, send me a connection request. Happy to refer you, happy to guide you and stuff like that. Okay, so let's do something proper, Purvi. So we are looking at this vibe coding engine and portfolio generator. That's actually good, right? So for now, these two things are nice, and we have got these things. Amazing. Sure. Talk to me about referral. Tell that you came through this DNA, whatever, DNA webinar, so that I will remember for sure. Okay. And we are also having the social media challenge. Don't forget. Okay. So we are gonna deploy this website and tell people that okay, we have done so many things, cool things, etc. We can also do this way. So let's go to. How many of you know about Talk AI? Let's say DeepSeek. Without registration, free use. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, hi, I'm Pravin, and I just finished a workshop on GitHub open source, but it actually diverted into escape room game, vibe coding, and we created an amazing project out of this. There was a person with no name called Bold Bug, was very enthusiastic and did a lot of cool things. We started with GitHub registration, but we failed at solving a CAPTCHA. Finding projects got us to a, what do you call that one? Medical escape room. Then while doing something related to, so we had this WhatsApp group. So that is something related to the thing which he is asking. Okay, cool. Couldn't see the chat typing. And now, okay, wow. Lot of then while doing something related to templating and coding, we vibe coded this crazy portfolio generator and got something amazing deployed. Okay, for those people who want to use this portfolio generator, which was the idea behind everything, here is the link. Okay, so can everyone tell if you are able to see this portfolio generator? Okay, we got something amazing deployed. Now create an exciting and enthusiastic where October 1st 100 plus students and new techies joined. Okay, so now create an exciting and enthusiastic post to okay, portfolio generator, amazing deployed. Who's that? We also created a portfolio for both. Hey, what is your name again? Bug, bad bugger, bed bugger, bold bug, and Purvi. Purvi, your full name, Purvi Malvia, and they both are getting some cool swags from me to share my experience and also screenshots of what all crazy things things we did here. Okay, folks, everyone. Seridani, bold bug. Okay. Yes, Purvi, you have won a website, a domain name for you for free. Okay, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll tell you all the details. I'll send you everything. Don't worry. I'll also guide you with these things, and also I'll give you a referral on with JP Morgan Chase. I have a lot of friends who are working there. Most of them are recruiters. If you want to come to the UK as well, no problem. I'm in UK, London Canary Wharf. You want to see how it is? Canary Wharf. Here is where we worked. Okay, Canary Wharf, JP Morgan Chase. Wanna come, this one. This is where you will be working. This is how the Canary Wharf JP Morgan Chase is. That's the place. And Canary Wharf generally looks like this. This is Canary Wharf. I work in this building. And you might work in this building. Simple. Nice? Cool. Okay, super. That's Canary Wharf, by the way, in the night, and this is really a great place to work. Welcome to Canary Wharf. Bro, everyone needs to go through the interview process and all. I'll definitely guide everyone here. Okay, so give me a connection request. I'm definitely happy to guide everyone, irrespective of it. But Purvi was one of the main person, and Bedbug. Boldbug. Boldbug is another main person to get this flow going on. So that's why. Okay. So definitely Boldbug, Bedbug, Bad Bug, Good Bug, all these bugs and Purvi are special here. Okay. We did here. Okay. Purvi is also getting a referral to a company in the UK, and also most of the people, developers are getting one-on-one. What do you say? One-on-one mentoring from me. Happy with everyone. Happy with this crazy things what all we did here. Ask them to comment their experiences as well. Use English UK. Use emojis in each line. What else? Use emojis for bullets. Use proper hashtags. Okay, wow. Let's see if this works. Woohoo! Nice, right? Okay. All right. This looks really nice. So I'm just gonna take a copy of this one and use this one here. Okay, that looks nice. It is not an INI. It always does this plain text, and let's use the void skin modifier. Okay, where all these white skin tone modifier should be used? This one. Okay, that looks nice. Check out some of the madness in the screenshot. Okay, I just need to read through this one. What an absolutely unreal workshop. Just wrapped up a nice big session on Git, GitHub, and open source and Hacktoberfest. We had 100+ brilliant students in this. Here's the wild ride. Okay, let's add a rocket symbol here. Started. Let's use Rofl. Okay, our search for project somehow teleported in medical pressure. How should I put a spring? Okay, no. Okay, let's use this one. Then we stumble upon no pure coding. Okay, iOS. Okay, cool. Why is this not a lightning? Massive next level or grow. Seripo. Purvi Malviya, I'm gonna tag you as well, Purvi. Please send me a request, okay? The rewards are flowing. Where's the gifter? Just gonna add the gift here. So bold buggy on the right. That's a goodie bag. Purvi is bagging this one. One-on-one mentoring sessions with me. So a huge thanks to every simple person. Okay, so we need. Oh God, where's that one? Anything is possible. Where is the biceps? It's here. Okay. Special thanks to DNA. So we need to add DNA as this Purvi. This one Purvi. Okay, DNA, and I think it's Ayush. Ayush, full name Ayush Yadav, right? Okay, super. Ayush Yadav for giving me this amazing opportunity. Okay, want to hear from you. Comment below. So let's use the thoughts symbol. Take away from the workshop. Check out some of the madness and screenshots. All these things are great. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this one here. Let me put my face here. Everyone, where is the previews? Okay, so I'm just gonna put this as Command Shift 3, and then we need also one more thing. Where is our websites actually? We'll get rid of this one. We will get rid of this one. We will have this thing like this. So, oh wait, we'll actually make this one like big like this. Then we will also have this thing. Let's take a screenshot. Oh wait, let's take a screenshot, and then this one is okay. Repositories. Actually, we want to see that repository recently updated. Microbiology puzzle game, right? We'll just keep this like this and put a screenshot here as well. Okay, cool. How many of you want to be on the video? So switch on your video, whoever you can. Let me try to enable the video for you. Enabled, and then let's put it in the gallery mode. I'm gonna hide all the non-video participants. Switch on your video, please. And then I'm gonna get rid of my spotlight. Remove spotlight. Anyone switch on your video? Let's take a audio is not possible, bro, at this point. We can actually switch on the audio as well, but switch on your video so that we can take multi-speaker view activates for 5 more people. Okay, fine, whatever it is. Everyone is introvert. I am also an introvert, so it's totally fine. Where's Purvi? Purvi, are you here? Let's go. That's it? Wait. I think I took to an extent so many pictures. Okay, so great. I'm gonna quickly post this one as well right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is quickly is my pen. All right. So let's go to our LinkedIn here. Now comes our amazing stuff. So Spurvi have to tag Okay, got the acceptance. Super. Nice. So what we will do now is, now we should have not closed that. Oh, good, good, good. It was written in this one, right? Okay. I was just shocked. Where is it gone? Okay, so I'm gonna write this post. Amazing. So, Purvi. Yes, this is Purvi. Is this you, Purvi? Oh God. This one, building the story, whatever. Building the failure story, right? Building the failure story. Okay, got you. Okay. Okay, this is nice. So we'll also add the DNA thing. And Ayush Yadav, DNA Tech, for giving me this amazing opportunity. Let's also add a pray. And I'm just gonna add all these pictures, but we need to take the right pictures, right? It should not be all the pictures. So where is my desktop? All right, so all these screenshots are here. I'll just quickly find the right screenshots. This one, no, this one is good. Let's take this one in. This one, no. This one is actually good. This is sleepy. This download preview is here. We can also take this one. We will take this one. We'll take this one. We already took this. We will take this one. We'll take this one. We'll take this one. That's it. Okay, these are the things. And also we need that the sessions poster. Okay, now where is the session poster? We'll just take that session poster from WhatsApp. Bro, session poster. Okay, I got the session poster here. Great. So this is gonna be 1 and this is gonna be 2. This is gonna be 3 and then all the others are here. Okay, super. So what I'm doing is I've got all these things. Okay, so now I'm gonna add these people to this one. Open. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. All these things are good. Now I definitely need to add people, tag people. So for now I'm gonna put DNA. Okay, I'm gonna put this guy DNA. What is his name? Ayush Yadav. And Purvi Malviya. It is not that I'm not tagging anyone else, but just for now. Okay, so I'm gonna create this post right now. I think it is good at this point. Potrlama, okay. Now go and put your comments on this. Then we are going to give out all the certificates as well. Okay, so thank you so much. This was the best thing that happened to me as well. So I'm featuring this on the top of the profile, and here's the link for everyone. Now go ahead, hit the like here. Sure. Okay, so go ahead, hit the like here, and everyone who is present here will definitely be getting something really amazing. Okay, super happy. And we are all gonna be connected as well. I hope everyone is having the WhatsApp group, are part of the WhatsApp group as well. So we will connect there. We will also talk there, get all the questions answered. I'm just like trying to find out how many people are commenting and stuff like that. Okay, Raghuvaran is asking. Raghuvaran, you are just asking now. Okay, explain about me just 2 minutes. About you. Okay, what happened? Whatever we just wrote, that's what happened. We started with Git, GitHub, and open source, and then we started with a lot of cool things like we went with what we wanted to look into GitHub and how to find the projects and stuff like that. And in that meantime, what happened was we came across this. I think there is this person who is recording the webinar, the AI bot. You should be able to give the complete thing, right? So let me watch that. So we stumbled upon a problem where we couldn't solve the GitHub captcha, and then we tried solving the captcha. That was actually a fun way, and then we also wanted to do this as a new project as well. And after that, we came to know about, okay, so everyone, this link, go and write your feedback, your honest feedback, whatever you feel like. That way I will also look at it, and there are like at least 30,000 recruiters in my profile as well. You're all techies. I'm a techie. I'm literally a JavaScript developer. So they will be looking at your messages as well. Also put your information on what you want to work, etc. So that way you will also get a job. There you go. Okay. So we saw that, we tried solving it. Then we went into GitHub itself. It was not solvable. So we went into GitHub. We tried searching for projects. At that point of time, we saw an amazing project. We wanted to go and contribute it. But in turn, we wanted to understand the project. While doing that, we saw that it's actually a game, an escape room game. Everyone is happy about solving puzzles, right? So we went ahead and solved that puzzle. Time poichi. So we just took so much time. That happened. And then we just got an idea. Why don't we vibe code something? How many of you know vibe coding? What is vibe coding? And then we learned about what vibe coding is for those people who did not know. And we vibe coded not a website creating application, and then we shared it here. And what else? So then there was this Purvi and Bedbug came in, sorry, Boldbug came in, or Badbug came in, and then they both were very, very like what, so much things they did, and then that happened. And yeah, social media challenge. So we are waiting for the social media challenge, and then we will give the certificates next week, something like that. So I need to work on the certificates. Bold bug, day, tell who you are, da. Your name is nothing, da. There are so many people who have got bad names. Okay, just tell me your name. Lot of fans are there for you. More than Purvi and Pravin, there are like so many bold bug fans. Correct, ah? Okay, Raghuvaran. Okay, Raghuvaran, Tamila நீங்க. It's okay. Today you might have zero bad either. So yeah. Hey, nice to know you are from Tamil as well. I'm from Tamil Nadu as well. Nice to know, bro. Super, super, super. Okay. Nice to know. It was so nice. It was so fun. I did not expect this will go this way, and super, super happy. நானும் சென்னை தான்ப்பா. சார் வேண்டாம். It's just like, don't use sir. It's a disrespect. So just call me Praveen. Okay, super, super. And please connect with me on LinkedIn as well. I will definitely accept all your LinkedIn requests. We will do big things. How many of you want part 2? Okay, so while putting the comment, also add the part 2 thing as well. Hey, Puri, you wanna switch on your video as well? We haven't seen you, right? So that would be nice to see you too. The talk of the show or something like that. If okay, you can't, it's okay, that's fine. But thank you so much from my bottom of the heart for everyone. Idu innum better pannuna, let me do this way. Thank you so much for everyone for joining us. Okay, so part 2, go to LinkedIn, that post, and comment part 2 as well as. But before part 2 comments, please put your honest feedback. Make LinkedIn also a better place, not like a bot. Okay, good. Go share it with your friends. Tell what all things that you have missed and something like that. That way people will also know that, oh my god, I missed so much things. Cool. I'm just going to quickly check how many people are going to be winner of the oh wow, super. There are like so many people. Okay, so far only 10 people have interacted with the post. Once the post gets 25 of them, I'm just going to put it on a raffle, and then they will be getting a couple of fun cards. It's an online $50 game card, something like that. I'll tell you what all things that you can do. Okay. Super, super, super. I hope it was fun. And thank you so much. Hey, one last timer. Boldbug went off. Can I speak? Yes, yes, Boldbug, you can speak. Let me try letting you all speak. Yes. Whoever wants to speak, maybe you can raise your hand and then I'll just ask to unmute and then speak. That way it is easier, right? Boldbug, if you want to speak now, just speak. Unmute yourself and speak. Yeah, speak. அடே ரகுவரா உன்னை இப்பதான்டா சொன்னேன் சார் சொல்லாதடா பிரவீன் சொல்லுடா நான் சின்ன பையன்டா bold bug can you talk something we will try to hear you we can't hear you yet can someone hear bold bug nope awesome thank you okay so we will wait for bold bug to hear nice
Hello.
hey hi
Hello.
we can hear you we can't hear you but we can hear Boldbug is now an urban legend. We can't hear you like a human, so I think you are an urban legend now. Okay. Anyone else who wants to speak, you can speak now. Thank you so much for coming in. Exactly.
Sir, I am audible.
You're audible now. Yes, Boldbug. Hey, per solra. What's your name?
No, sir. Actually, I am Harsh.
Hi, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am Harsh. I am from Bihar. Basically, I'm studying in University of Shimoga, Karnataka.
Oh, Shimoga. Yeah, Shivamoga. I know that place. I have a lot of friends from there.
Yeah.
No way.
So basically, my native place is Bihar, but currently I'm studying in Shimoga, Karnataka, University of Karnataka. So, being a second year student, I just want to know, sir, your experience, like what to do in this year.
Okay, first thing, don't say it sir, and second thing, with my experience, to gain something like that, see, basically practice is what works. So today I did not even expect that we will do all these things. I was just thinking, okay, we'll just go through Git GitHub and usual stuff. But you know what happened? Because of the passion that you all had and even I had, I just thought, okay, why not we do this? It is just that Boldbug and other people said, okay, let's do this, let's do that. It is about discussion. Just talk with people, get to know what people are doing, and then reciprocate as well. That is what makes you go further.
Hello.
Yes, Boldbug. Boldbug is trying to speak, but we can't. Sanskar.
Please join my cult.
Huh?
I have a cult. Join it.
You can't join. We are able to hear you. You are from an. Are you an alien? You are proving a lot, bro.
No intention.
You're using voice changer. Okay, anyway. Cool. Anyway, whatever it is. Nice, Harsh Raj. Like, I hope something you learned from this. Speak with people. You have this amazing community, DNA community. There are like so many people there. If you learn something new, tell people that you learned something new. Put it on LinkedIn, like just like how I put it on LinkedIn. I'm like, even though I have a lot of experience, what did I do? These are the things that we did. Make an interesting post using AI. That's it, simple. For now, it is simple. You have all the things that you want. It is fine if you use AI. If you use or if you don't use, that's totally fine. Just do it. You just need to tell who you are to the public, and you learned this. So if you say this in public, a lot of people will say like, okay, Harsh, you did this way. Maybe you do this way. They will give you some more ideas, like how everyone here gave me ideas. Okay, so start talking outside in public and in the groups as well. That will help you a lot.
Yeah,
can
yeah, of
do
course.
hackathons together. Boldbug is ready to do hackathons together as well. So talk to Boldbug as well. Maybe you
And
can
also
have
like,
interplanetary teams. Boldbug, where
yeah,
are
yeah,
you
of course.
from? Mars, Jupiter, Centauri, Proxima, Nova, Pluto. Oh, from black hole. Great. SC11123. But seriously, Boldbug, you are bold. You are an amazing person. A lot of people have got fans on you. A lot of people are fans for you. So you don't need to hide yourself anymore. We all love you. Okay? Yeah, see, everyone says the same thing. Come out. Okay, super. Anyone else who'd like to talk right now, and or shall we just disconnect it here? Yes, please,
Sir,
Sanskar.
can I talk?
Yeah, Raghuvaran. Sir, no solladinga Raghuvaran.
Sorry, Pravin. It's a good opportunity for me to meet you.
Same
And
here.
நீங்க ஐ மீன் நீங்க தமிழ்காரனால எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஈஸியா இருக்கு பேசுறது ரைட்
Okay,
நோ.
just because we are both are Tamil, so we are able to easily talk and connect with each other. Yeah, Raghuvaran, Tamil கேட்கணும்னு நினைச்சேன் கேட்டுட்டேன். Let's keep it in English because others will get offended. So
Yep.
Englishலயே பேசுங்க. Let's start. Yeah, go on.
Yes, Pravin. Thank you, Pravin, for giving me this opportunity. First of all, I just seen every participant who were come from different regions, so
Yes.
I'm getting impressed and motivated. Like now, I want to share my portfolio so that it could be useful for you. So this is it. Don't think me wrong that I'm using Vercel right now, since I'm learning somehow new. Because since my college days
Nothing
gets
wrong, bro.
yep, since my college days has been getting ruined a little bit, and I just did little slippery things in my graduation. So that's why I'm just focusing on coding right now. I'm eagerly waiting for a thing to shine myself. So that's the thing. And Worldberg, I'm just getting impressed, man. Because of the that participant, I'm getting a lot of motivation that he's just vibing himself in the during a participation. If it's coming regularly, in my part of my life, it could be very very interesting. So thanks Worldberg for chairing our class, and that's it on myself, sir. I mean, Praveen.
Super,
Um,
super, bro. Super, bro. Sama, bro. Sama, bro.
yep. Okay, Berwin. I just shared my portfolio. If you want, you can see.
You connect
I'm the
with me on LinkedIn as well. நிறைய பேசலாம்.
Yeah, sure. I'm a fresher actually, so that's the thing. That's why I just connected with you.
Awesome,
So
awesome,
thank you,
awesome.
Berwin. Yep.
Awesome, awesome.
Kudos.
Nice, Raghuvaran. Won't forget
Yep.
your name because of Raghuvaran.
Yep. Yeah.
Thanks, thanks, thanks. Anyone else to say something? Thanks, everyone. And Prathamesh, sub branch for an already existing branch. You have to do checkout -b with the branch name. There is no sub branch concept, it is just branching. So, branches are made of different commits. This is how you would do. I'm just putting the thing git checkout -b new branch name. So it was a private message for me, so I just sent him the response. I hope no one minds. Where I will get goodies? Boldbug, you need to take your Aadhaar card and show me this is Boldbug, this is your name. Only then you will get goodies. Okay, wait, ade, yaar Rani. Yes, Sanskar, Sanskar, go ahead, talk, please. Hi, Sanskar.
Uh, Hello everyone.
Hi.
Thank you, Pravin sir, for such an
Oh, sir,
such an
please.
interact. Oh, I'm sorry for that. Being such an interactive host. Though I didn't mind the conversations and the stream and the workshop being steered around for a bit with everyone just vibing here, but it was such a pleasant time. I never had such an interactive host in a very long time. Thank you so much for
I
that.
really would love this feedback on public. Thank you so much, man.
No, I have commented on the LinkedIn post
I
as
saw
well.
it. I saw it.
But one of the things I wish to ask that what is the scope of the currently constantly and rapidly evolving the AI scene? Recently, I saw that The prompt engineering is even outdated now.
Can I
Like
say
it came
something?
like 2 years ago.
Can I say something?
Yes,
Just
yes,
last
yes.
week, 15th, right? Today, 8th, last week, I was out of my job because of AI. Because I
Oh,
hated AI, kind of like I don't want to use AI in my work, and I was stubborn. For a person like me who has got like at least 20 years of experience in multiple countries, I was kicked out. So think about that. That is the power that you need to use AI to that level. You have to use it. It is so. Hey, Raghuvaran, Indri Ammayadadukku English என்னடா?
actually, I'm not Tamil. I'm
I'm asking Raghuvaran. That's why
okay.
I don't know what is the English equivalent for that. It is very indispensable, or like what do you call this? It is something that you cannot go away from it. Raghuvaran is missing. Maybe even he doesn't know that. But yeah, so it is something that you cannot avoid. AI is something that you cannot avoid. For me personally, if you look at a lot of things, inevitable. Thanks, man. Inevitable. This is extremely inevitable, where you cannot avoid this at all. The reason is what happened to me is I was like, dude, I have been learning all these things by heart. I know everything in my brain. I want to use my brain and work on things. I don't want to use AI. That's how I was, and because of that I got fired. So this is the current scenario. Even though you have like I have like 20 years of experience, this you if you are not adapting AI in your everyday tools and tasks, it is this world is not for you. This tech world is not for you. So that's how the current scenario is. I mean, I'm trying to push back, but still we'll see how it goes.
It's just I am in just the second year, so I am very doubtful and confused about the how will the job market will change towards
What I
when
would
I get
suggest
the
is
job.
there will be, see, it is because of these AI advents. Yes, the job market will change. First thing is the way people recruit people will change. Simple thing. Do you see the new news? I'm not sure. I'm currently in London, so I'm not sure what is happening in India. Indian government, someone said that everyone has got open book test. Correct? CBSE.
I once had like in ninth class, but
Okay.
perhaps not in
So
the CBSE curriculum anymore.
until today, everyone were mugging up the books and then they are vomiting. That worked out for a while. Now they are saying you don't need to mug up. You open book test. It is going to be challenging, not easy. The reason is everyone will be able to see the book and write, right? It will not be like that. Everyone will have the book, but the way you are going to write will be different. Maybe the questions are totally different. It will make you think in a different way. So that's how the whole thing it is. Yeah. OTBA, open textbook.
Open textbook based assessment.
Super, super,
Oh
super.
my goodness.
Old bug day. ஏன்டா இப்படிலாம் பண்ற? Okay, is this real Aadhaar card?
Well, it's not. It's not.
Cool. Now we have, okay, Lavish Kumar says like now we have to learn to leverage AI for saving our future. It's not about saving our future jobs, but it's just that the way the job market is gonna go in front will be totally different. So that's what is gonna happen now. So we all need to be prepared, including me. So I'm in the UK. In the UK, we have got a lot of crazy things happening. If UK, that is not much tech based country, so many things are changes are happening because of tech. Then think about a country like India where tech is the backbone. Sometimes agriculture is the backbone. That's a different story. But if it is coming to our education or something related to engineering and stuff like that, tech is the backbone. Bangalore people will know a lot about that. I'm Chennai. Even I don't know.
Can I
But
ask one last question, please?
sure.
Uh, as you have been to many countries, is there any
Many
particular
countries
European
are there.
country?
India, UK. That's it. Tell me.
Oh, I am sorry about that. Is there any major country in Europe which is heavily focused on AI and such that?
I need to find out, bro. Another thing that you can see is Germany is actually actively welcoming Indians. I don't know what is happening with Germany, but this is a news that I heard and it is true. And I have friends in Germany who says that come to Germany, just learn a bit of German, and then you're settled for life. That kind of a thing. So that is there as well. So maybe that can help.
I have sent you the connect request. I hope you accept it,
I will accept everyone's connection request. Thank you so much, man.
and it was such a blast having you as the host of this today's session.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. And Bold Bug, if you want to work here, you have to step up. There are like, so what is the population of India? 10 crores, let's say. And out of which, how many people are techies? 1 crore. How many people are JavaScript people? 10 lakhs. How many people have exact skill set as me? 1 lakh. I have to compete with 1 lakh people. How are you gonna be better than that 1 lakh people? Think about that. That's it. 1.4 billion. Okay, I don't understand that number. I'm bad in mathematics. So that means 1400 million. 1400 million, 140 crores. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Right. All right. See, look at me. I'm the worst person to use mathematics and other things. So if you see, this is the problem, man. This is the problem with me. So I will be the worst person comparing to you. So Boldbug is not an Indian. He's not an Earthling. He is a Martian. Told you. Are you a Martian? Plutonian? Plutonian. Yes, Simran Kaur. Go on. Switch on your video and talk.
Hi, Pravin ji.
Hi,
How are
Simran.
you?
Do you want to switch on your video as well if possible? It would be nice.
I would have, but the webcam is blurred because
No.
of some issue.
Okay, go on, go on.
Yeah.
What's your question? Go on.
So I had so much fun in today's session. I didn't expect that somebody like you will be teaching us like this, because I have taken so many sessions and they are like very very serious kind of sessions. So yeah, I had fun. And other than that, I wanted to ask, like, because of health issues, I have had a major gap within my career. So I wanted to start my career from the fresh, right?
Got
So
it, got
if
it.
there is guidance that you can give me to,
Okay, so
take a step.
in India, at least the gaps in your education or what do you call this employment will be a big problem. I understand that, but what you can do is at this point, you should make sure that should not be a problem by giving your just making use of the empty time, like upskilling and stuff like that. If you can do that, that would be the best way to go forward. So anytime, like for example, it's been 1 week since I left my job. So I have been constantly doing a lot of upskilling and things, even for that 1 week's time. And during that time, I have been talking to these people, creating live streams, going to different webinars, and organizing events. So for my area of interest, my area of expertise, my current situation, I'm doing all these crazy things. So similarly, if something that works for you, try to take it up. That the employers and recruiters will see it as a plus point rather than a minus point. It should also be benefiting your career. At the same time, it should also see like you're not having any gaps in your timeline. Does that help? And Simran, please connect with me on LinkedIn. This could be discussed as a case-to-case basis as well, and also we can talk in private. I mean, like now it's a group. There are a couple of sensitive information that could come out in between, so it's better to talk privately. And happily, I will guide you and refer you as well. Even if you have a gap that can be seen by the employers in a bad way, we can put it in such a way that, oh my god, you just had 3 months, you should have had 4 months, kind of a thing. Got it?
Okay. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much for asking this question. Superb. That was great. There are a couple of questions more here in the chat. Super Saturn guy. Okay, good. Not from this galaxy. Nice. Pandora. Okay. Okay, right. Prathamesh, just a general question. How do you make meaningful open source contributions? Peers in the college just update. If the peers in your college just update the README files, whatever you do any simple thing that will be meaningful contribution in your peer competition. But anything that works, definitely some kind of a solution, if you can bring in, even use AI to get the solution, but make sure the solution that you are bringing in is your own solution. That way you can stand out. Helps? This is for Prathamesh. Apna college, no controversy. I am controversy no person. Cool. Any other questions? Thank you, Rajan.
Can I have one more question,
Yes,
please?
Sanskar. Yes, go on.
Uh, uh, how does one get started with the open source contribution?
Okay,
Because
I actually have something for that. That is there with me on my what do you call this one? It's not LinkedIn. So if you go into LinkedIn and send me a quick message or something like that, definitely I would be saying this one as well. But I'll send you this one right away here because you asked for it. Here you go. Where is our Zoom chat? How do I start with open source contribution? This is the first thing. This is the second thing. And if you are planning to go for Hacktoberfest, I have a Preptember series as well. Let me try getting it for you. YouTube. Hey, how many of you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, da? Please do that. This is my YouTube channel. Sanskar, I will accept your LinkedIn request. Definitely, I will. You will be able to message me. Don't worry. Just give me some time. I'm still here now. Okay, so that's my YouTube channel. Please send the whatever. Okay, and also let me do this. Here is my. I'll send you my LinkedIn. Go for that LinkedIn post as well. So if you can also, if other people can also add some comments and stuff like that, I'll do that, dude. Okay, Purvi has got a question. I have to leave now, but it was really great. Thank you so much. And Boldbug, you have another fan as well. Really something, man. Seriously. Bye bye. And someone importance. Okay, share on the group. Yes, we will do that. I think Purvi, you might know. Okay, she left. All right, go on. Cool. I'll try to update the channel logo. Anything else? Did I miss anything? Sanskar, I think okay, not Sanskar. Okay, I think I answered all the questions, right? Another in few minutes, it's gonna be 4:30. It's gonna be 2 hours. Oh my God, I didn't know how the time went. Thank you so much for tolerating me for so long. This is my that link. This is the channel link. Anything else? Any other links? Exactly. Went from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. in no time. 9 p.m. Already. Yeah. It is 9 p.m. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. I need to book some tickets as well. Tickets to come to India. Yes, Vansh. I will immediately accept the LinkedIn request as well, and then we all can talk in LinkedIn also. Okay, va? Okay, so let's go for this one. Anything else, folks? Okay, please go and comment on that thing. That will help a lot. See you all. Share it with your friends. And tada, bye bye. See you. Hey, where is this Ayush guy?
Yes, yes,
Ayush,
sir.
happy, How was it?
Yes, I am very happy, sir.
Sir, day. Pravin.
Yes, I am very happy, Pravin.
Someone, Sanskar, I'll send you all those things by DM. Yeah, you were the one who was talking. Will it be good? What will happen? Please don't change the dates. Happy, no?
Yes.
Awesome,
So,
man.
techies, listen, so techies, I hope you all are enjoyed the meeting. Just type DNA with fire emoji if you had a great time. Just type DNA with fire emoji. And for sessions, just follow us on Instagram, LinkedIn, and other social media platforms, and join our WhatsApp community also.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity as well.
Oh,
What is the meaning of cookies? Is it need to learn code from books? I think YouTube channels are great. Documentation is great, Harshit. Any other questions? Nothing. DNA. WhatsApp community link. Yeah. Lavanya, we have met before, right? Yeah, awesome. Super. So we have our community, WhatsApp community as well. Thank you, DNA, for organizing all these things. So, yep, it is the Ascension Forge. That is the current thing. So I hope this helps. Cool. That was really, really good. Thanks, man. Thanks, everyone, for joining, and thanks for tolerating me. Super. Awesome. Awesome.
no, you're such a nice guy.
Thank you. See you all, bro. See you all. Bye.
Yes. Also mention on our on your social media account.
That helps a lot. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. You can end the meeting.
Bye. Bye,
Bye.
everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Pravin. Bye.
Thank you so much for today.
Pravin, just share recorded session also.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay.